Hey everyone! Welcome back to Design with Arif. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canva for sports graphic design perfect for social media, posters, and team promotions. Whether you're designing for football, basketball, or any sport, Canva makes it easy to create eye-catching graphics even if you have zero design experience. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Canva tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up your Canva workspace. First, head over to www.canva.com and log in. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. Click on Create a Design and choose Custom Size. For Instagram, use 1080x 1080 pixels, and for posters, try 1920x 1080. If you have Canva Pro, you'll get access to premium templates. But don't worry, I'll also show you how to design with free elements. Now that our canvas is set, let's move on to adding images and backgrounds. Step 2. Choosing the right images and backgrounds. 2/3. A great sports graphic starts with a high-quality background and images. Upload your own images or search Canva's library for football action, basketball dunk, or soccer goal to find dynamic pictures. To make your player stand out, remove the background using the BG remover, available in Canva Pro. If you're using the free version, use Remove BG as an alternative. Add texture to your background, try grunge textures or stadium lights for a dramatic effect. Now that we have our visuals, let's add some impactful text. Step 5. Exporting and sharing your graphic. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to export it. Click Share and select Download. Choose PNG for high quality or JPG for faster loading. If it's for social media, select MP4 for an animated version. Upload it to Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, and tag your favorite team or player. And that's it! Now you know how to create amazing sports graphics in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, smash that like button and drop a comment below on which sport you want me to design next. Don't forget to subscribe for more Canva tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Happy designing!